Hi, and welcome to my presentation on eye tracking software for usability testing. Have you ever wondered how documents are designed to attract your attention and to make your experience as smooth as possible without overwhelming you? Imagine that you are scanning the internet for a rental car and you found a website that you found hard to navigate, like this Arngren website. Notice how your eyes do not sit in one area or product and keeps jumping around the entire page to try and make sense of the overwhelming information. The design and layout of the page confuses and frustrates you to give up and search another website for the product you're searching for. Now compare the Arngren website to the Southwest Airline website. This website is familiar and comfortable and easier to navigate and displays everything you need without overwhelming you. Your eyes are able to land on different parts and quickly make sense of what is displayed and where to go within seconds. Can you quickly find where to rent cars on your vacation? Eye tracking has helped designers structure the Southwest Airline website to be clean, concise, and easy to use for users to navigate and to travel efficiently. What is eye tracking exactly? Eye tracking is simply a software that follows the trail of where a person is looking on a computer and creates a path for designers to see where and how long a person looks. For example, the software is able to collect data on where a person's eye goes and how long it takes for them to read the sentence. Here we can see that the user reads the sentence from left to right and focused more on the words knight, attacked, and dragon and less time on the other words. So how does eye tracking work? The software consists of cameras, illuminators, and algorithms to collect data. First, the illuminators create a pattern of light to the eyes. Then the cameras take a picture of the user's eyes while tracking the patterns. The image finds specific details in the user's eye and reflection pattern. Lastly, with the collected data, the algorithms calculate the eye's position and gaze point, or in this case, the computer. Through eye tracking software, designers saw that movement of the human eye is not a smooth path. Instead, it consists of a series of short stops, which are known as fixations. In this case, the filled circles. Fixation occurs when we find something interesting and we look at it. Our brain then patches together those fixations to create a smooth image. This can happen both consciously or unconsciously. Fixation serves as an insight into human behavior and tells us what kind of features grab our attention. Succeed are quick movement of both eyes between two or more phrases of fixation in the same direction. Whereas in fixation, the eye movement jumps, in succeed, the eye movement is smooth and linear, which can be seen as the red line in the sentence. User experience or UX design is the process design teams use to create products that provide meaningful and relevant experiences to users. This involves the design of the entire process of acquiring and integrating the product, including aspects of branding, design, usability, and function. User experience or UX design focuses on the interaction between users like you and me and everyday products and services like websites, apps, and even gym machines. UX designers focus on the journey that the users take and how the product is structured for the user's experience using the product. UX doesn't only apply to websites, though. Any kind of product or service you come into contact with evokes a certain type of experience. How eye tracking helps user experience designers. Most user interactions take the form of clicking, swiping, or scrolling on devices. These patterns are a valuable source of information about users. Eye tracking can also help highlight user behavior in the dreaded situations where users tell you they just don't understand. If no physical interaction has taken place, it can be hard to identify what went wrong. It might be that the user is confused, looking for something, or just stuck. No matter what it is, that why can be explained with eye tracking technology that highlights where the user is looking. UX designers are able to study eye movements to provide unique insights into what catches our attention and what information we process through psychology, business, market research, design, and technology. The software helps the UX designers understand what affects behavior, decision making, and emotions while scanning websites, documents, apps, or other products. Sometimes UX designers need to support design decisions. Eye tracking software helps to support the reasoning behind design decisions and is a powerful way of removing bias because the user's behavior speaks for itself. Demonstrating that the reason why a certain color or UI element is used because it improves the user's experience will strengthen UX designers' position in an undecided situation and increase empathy for the user's experience. UX designers add eye tracking in their usability test to help build a stronger and more intuitive user experience. For example, UX designers can test which of the two designs is easier for people to use. The one on the left uses visual hierarchy, the principle of elements of designing documents to show their order of importance. UX designers use visual structures like the Create button or separating the title from the body text on the left side to logically and strategically influence users' perceptions and guide them to desired actions. The structure of information provides the reader a direction and a sense of importance within the content, while the one on the right has no visual hierarchy, making it harder to read and navigate. Eye tracking allows UX designers to see if their own bias is blocking them from seeing design issues that prevent users from finding things or having a smooth experience using products. Eye tracking builds a stronger and more intuitive user experience.